This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Stanley. Excellent location for a housing development within city limits of Atkins. Access from 2 public roads, rolling pasture and nice mature hardwoods. 2 ponds, owner will subdivide into desired acreage. Call listing agent for pricing info. Great views and secluded. Seller open to reasonable offers, 96 total acres available. Pick your acreage amount and make your offer. Call for your showing today. See MLS number 23 to 50, MLS number 23 to 49, MLS number 24 to 666, MLS number 24 to 667 for additional acreage options of 25, 21, 29. For more information